Hello and welcome, I'm Stitch and this vlog is all about Heaven Official's blessing, starting with making a Hua Cheng cosplay. Let's get into it! I made Hua Cheng's iconic sleeveless outfit from the manhua for my girlfriend, which was more of a gift to myself than anything, which you'll understand when she tries it on. It was surprisingly easy to put together this cosplay using thrifted materials and some costume accessories already in our closet. However, I remember really struggling at the time because I'm used to enduring trial and error in private rather than working together with someone. Every time I needed to alter the design or redo a piece to fit better, it was hard not to feel embarrassed. But the truth is, no matter how long you've been cosplaying or where your skill level is at, making something new will always mean making mistakes. And that's okay, you're allowed to. Okay, time for the big reveal!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like I said, a gift for me. If you're a merch collector, you've probably accumulated a small pile of bookmarks, postcards, and other tiny art pieces that you want to fully appreciate but are hard to display on their own. My solution to that is creating collage-style art pieces in a much bigger frame. These are so fun to make and are super relaxing to spend time on. First, I gather my materials: stickers, artist business cards, packaging, and extras from official merch, anything flat that fits in your theme. It takes a lot of arranging and rearranging to figure out where everything fits best, but after I decide on the final placement, I like to put small loops of scotch tape on the backs of most pieces to keep them from sliding around. It's easily removable without damaging anything. So far I've made 3 collage pieces for TGCF in particular. This one is my second, and here's a look at the most recent one I finished. Another piece of TGCF wall decor I have is my pin banner. I used to exclusively display pins in my Ita bag, but this way I can actually see and enjoy them every day. I love making character jewelry come to life. It took me so long to find the perfect materials to make Hua Cheng's necklace, but I'm really happy with how it came together. Assembly takes me about an hour per necklace if I don't do any prep work like cutting chains or putting on jump rings ahead of time. I really enjoy making jewelry for my own cosplays, but it's an amazing feeling to share my work with others. I filmed this a while ago when I was making a small batch for my Ko-Fi shop, but they're currently out of stock until I finish making the changes I need to do business as a Canadian resident. Wearing character jewelry with casual outfits is one of my favorite ways to incorporate fandom into daily life. Do you subtly dress like your favorite characters too, or are there other ways you express your love for them? I'm looking forward to making videos more often now that I have a new editing program that is less torturous to use. Thanks so much for watching and have a magical day!